72 Impala. Man, that thing solid. No engine right now. LS swap on the way, baby. I want to take y'all back to the very first day I got my 72 Impala LS swap. Only to remind you of what you capable of doing if you hadn't done it already. Because you can do all things through Christ who strengthens you. If this your first time watching this channel, I want you to know that your LS swap is just as important as my LS swap. So I want to ask you a question. How would you like to know how to do an LS swap in an old school car that run like this? '72 Impala LS swap, baby. Looking at almost 600 horsepower. We did our own wiring. We show y'all how to do that, YouTube. Step by step. We did our own fuel system. We show y'all how to do that as well. Step by step, YouTube. Everything you need to know. Step by step. LS swap, baby. Got both donks in the garage now, man. Make sure you watch this video all the way through. Make sure you click that subscribe button. Make sure you turn on your notification bell. That way you see all the videos when we post them. And I need for you to drop me a comment in the comment section and say I'm riding with Chevys R Us, Tone. Let Chevys R Us help you do your LS swap, YouTube. We a family, man. We gonna do this thing together. Y'all ready? You too, you too. YouTube. What's going on, YouTube? Like 4 something in the morning, man. I'm up. I'm in the U-Haul truck. Gonna get ready to go pick my brother Zoe up so we can head out of town and get this 72 Impala Convertible. So we'll be back with y'all in a minute. Zo, what it do, man? What it do, what's happening, man? Hey, that's it, man. You ready to go get this Chevy, man?
Yeah, let's go pick this bad boy up.
Hey, he got his A hat on. Guess what? I got my Hawk hat on. We good, baby. Hey, that's what's up. Alright, YouTube, we finna get ready to say a prayer. Then we'll be back in a minute. Alright, YouTube. Loading that thing on up. Y'all can see. Loading that guy on up. Got it on the trailer. Solid, man. It's all solid, bro. All solid. Solid, y'all. Yep. All solid. Up. And got on the trailer. We'll be back with y'all in a minute.
YouTube. You got the cars. Woo! Actually, this is major. I'm filming. Woo-wee!
Alright, YouTube. I'm just taking a video of what this engine compartment looks like. It's actually pretty solid. You know, we don't got no rust nowhere. Frame looks pretty solid. Just a little surface rust, something that need to be cleaned off with some sandpaper or something. But no holes nowhere. core support, all that looks pretty solid. Come under here. Battery tray got a little rust on it, but it's solid. So I'm gonna clean all this up. Be cleaning that up. Paint it all black. Paint the fender walls black. Paint the firewall black. And just get it all cleaned up, YouTube. I just want y'all to see what it look like before we get started. I think that's gonna be the first thing that I do, only because we're gonna be in the same process. We're gonna be in the process of getting the engine built for it. So while they building the engine, I'll be cleaning this up, YouTube. So check it out, YouTube. It's the inside of the car. Got all the door panels, got the seats, you got everything, all the switches, everything, all interior parts. Just look like it needs a little purple power. But we're gonna clean this thing up and see what it looking like, YouTube. So we'll be back in a minute. You know, if you like 72 Impala or 75 Caprice, or if you just like donks or any kind of old school cars and LS swaps, hey man, make sure y'all lock in with the Chevys R Us family. You too, you too.